Hi there, this is Weblan. Please remember to like and subscribe. I want us to look at trigonometry. This is an identity and we want to prove this identity. And when you are proving identity, you need to simplify one of the two sides and show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Sometimes you have to simplify the left hand side, sometimes you have to simplify the right hand side, sometimes you have to simplify both of the sides. But with this one, it's only the left hand side that we have to deal with, and this is how we do it. The left hand side is equal to, all right, starting with sine and tan. I want to separate this one. Sine theta over 1 times 1 over tan theta. This is minus. Under the square root, we have 1 minus sine theta squared. This is equal to cos theta squared. And then coming back to this one, this is equal to sine theta over 1 over tan theta. Remember, this is cos times cos theta over sine theta. Remember, tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta, but this is not tan theta, it is 1 over tan theta, so it's equal to cos theta over sine theta minus this one. We have cos theta squared, which is under the square root sign, so these two will cancel each other, so it's minus cos theta. And then with this one, we cancel these two, we are left with cos theta minus cos theta. This is equal to cos theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, and this is equal to the right hand side. So we have proved this identity. Continuing with identities, we have this one. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. You need to prove that these two sides are equal. Let's deal with the left hand side. Our left hand side is equal to cos x minus cos x cubed. I want to factor out cos x here. That's the common factor. Cos x divided by cos x is 1. Cos x cubed divided by cos x is minus cos x squared all over cos x minus cos x minus cos x times sine x squared. I want to factor out cos x here also. Cos x bracket cos x divided by cos x divided by cos x, that's 1, minus cos x into this one is sine x squared. So these two will cancel each other. We are left with 1 minus cos x squared is sine x squared, and then 1 minus sine x squared is cos x squared. And remember the identity that says tan x is equal to sine x over cos x. So sine x squared over cos x squared also is equal to tan x squared, and this is equal to the right hand side. We have proved this one. All right, here is another identity. Here is another identity. Tan theta plus 1 over tan theta is equal to 1 over cos theta times sine theta. We need to prove this identity. Let's start with the left hand side. Our left hand side is equal to tan theta is the same as sine theta over cos theta, plus if tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta, then 1 over tan theta will be equal to cos theta over sine theta. All right, we have two fractions which we are adding here. How do we do that? We look for the lowest common multiple here, and my lowest common multiple here is cos theta times sine theta. I believe you have done this one in primary when you were adding fractions. Cos theta goes in this one how many times? Cos theta sine theta divide by cos theta, it is sine theta, so that sine theta times this sine theta is sine theta squared, plus sine theta goes into this one cos theta times, and then multiply the cos theta to this cos theta, so it's cos theta squared. And we know that sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, so over cos theta times sine theta, and that is equal to our right hand side. We have proved our identity. Always remember, practice makes perfect, so continue practicing, never give up. Enjoy.